Hi guys! Welcome to the second part of our Vietnam series. After arriving in Da Nang, exploring the city and watching the amazing Da Nang fireworks on our first day, we are now ready to slow down and experience more on the local side of the city. So, let's explore Da Nang a little deeper and see what this beautiful city has to offer.
We're in Hoi An. Hermes sandals. Ganda ng mga light. Get one. A millionaire for today's beef pho. Tignan nyo yung laman, guys. Cheers.
This is our outfit. Wala kasing walang whole body. Anyway, let's go to 43 Coffee and magsha-shopping kami today. Hi guys! If you're new here, I'm Shenna and this is my husband RJ. Today is our second day here in Da Nang, and instead of packing our schedule with activities, we decided to take things slow and enjoy a more relaxed day. By the way, the coffee shop that we're visiting this morning is just a short walk from our Airbnb.
Can I get this
The
one?
milk base.
Yep.
And it is not sweet. Is that okay?
Yes, sure.
There's no sugar.
Cheers, guys. Specialty coffee for you. Masarap siya.
Yes.
Hindi siya matamis.
Can you do that?
Even the ride was enjoyable because we got to do a bit of sightseeing from our Grab, and we usually book the EV option because it's often around 10,000 VND cheaper than the regular ride. And we love how the cars are always clean, comfortable, and spacious actually.
We're here in Pan Chao Trinh. And nandito guys yung mga clothing shops na magaganda daw as recommended online. So let's see. Let's start here guys. Havana. Ang init. Ang init pero lalaban. Thank you. Guys, let's shop for clothes. Oh my god. Ang gaganda. 265. Parang ano sila, more on small size.
Small size.
Oo, kagaya nito, mga skirt. Grabe, parang extra small. 29. 229 BND. Ano? Ang mura. 250 lang. Let's get this. God, ang ganda.
I made it. I shopped here in Da Nang and I visited around 3 to 4 different stores before finally deciding what to get. And in the end, I went home with 6 pieces of clothes and 1 bag, and my total bill came to about 1,355,000 VND. So yeah, it's not bad at all for everything.
ordered this for 129 and 109 spring roll.
Ano masasabi mo? 2 hours kang nag-shopping sa isang butik. Eh, ilang butik yun? Kulang pa?
Let's eat, guys! Fried spring roll and beef pho. Intestines pala. Let's eat. Sarap. Manghang. Baka sumakit siya mo. Sana pala hindi mo pinaspicy. Favorite ko, fried spring rolls.
Kami kasi yan.
Kamay ko na nga lang. Sorry.
Hindi pa nagkulay-kulay naman yan.
Hirap na hirap siya. Ang liit kasi ng upuan. Hey guys, we're here in Kong Cafe and ang daming tao dito. We're gonna have our coffee. So we ordered Bakshiuda, iced coffee and Kokshan, Ambarella for 114 BND. Charan! Daming libro.
Ba?
Guys, lumipat kami sa mga seat dito sa may window. This is my Bakshiyu coconut coffee. Ang sarap. This is the Ambarella. May separate siya na na bottle. Yeah. Parang may fruit siya na kagaya sa Pinas. Pero-
Bayabas.
Oo, bayabas.
Sarap ba?
Parang bayabas. Masarap itong kape. For around 250, may dalawang drinks na kami. Parang iba yan. Okay. So, let's eat here. Sige.
Egg and bread.
Okay. Sa akin yun, tapos sa'yo.
Wings?
4.9 rating sila. So, try natin. And this is their seat.
It was truly refreshing to try and experience the Vietnamese culture of eating in a street side cafe. And the food was so good, the banh mi was so good, and so perfect for people watching. The owner of the shop even talked to us and asked how's the food and asked what country we are from. So, that's really good customer service, guys. Hi guys, day 3 in Vietnam and this is my outfit.
Yay! We're in Hoi An.
We are in Hoi An.
Hoi An was definitely one of my highlights here in this trip. It is one of my favorite places here in Da Nang. It was really dreamy and every place and every corner was so aesthetic. And we took a lot of pictures, and it is a kind of place where you can simply wander around, take everything in, and appreciate its beauty.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
Guys, ang ganda. I think this is the yung kung saan gaganapin yung mga lanterns mamayang gabi. 'Di ba? Ayan siya guys, pero ang init. Mainit pa.
Mamaya ilalaban natin mamasyal dito. Ito tayo.
Custom tailor na shops. Kasi sikat ang Hoi An sa mga paggawaan ng mga damit. What's this? It's like a temple, guys. We ordered croissants. Ayan. Pero may chocolate ata to. Tapos, Faifu coffee. And matcha something. Matcha coconut latte. Hey guys, so we're here in Hoi An. And nandito kami sa Faifu Coffee. Yung may sikat na rooftop view for picture taking. Yun, daming nagpipicture sa taas. Buti na lang maaga kaming dumating. Titingin lang kami ng mga bags and shoes siguro. And then pupunta kami dun sa mga ibang mga pasyalan dito sa Hoi An. Sana ganito lang yung weather, hindi siya masyado mainit para makapagpasyal tayo. What can you say?
Okay naman.
Can you see that, guys? Ang daming flowers. Ito pala yon yung nakikita ko sa Instagram na mga photo spots. Ang daming kumukuha ng picture dyan eh. Ang ganda kasi talaga ng flowers. So, tignan mo. Sure ka talaga. Let's see kung may maganda silang mga shoes. Ang gaganda. Mga bags. Let's look at the bags. Ang cute na ito, oh. I love fashion.
So, we went into this shop that customizes leather sandals and bags. Actually, it was RJ who wanted to get something made, but I ended up ordering mine too. And the staff were super accommodating, and the quality of the leather was amazing in all of the shoes and the bags and the sandals. They also had so many beautiful bags on display.
This one, barbecue pork with spring roll and fine rice. Yeah. We also ordered this one, beef Hoi An pho noodles. Let's eat, guys. This is the spring roll, barbecue pork, vermicelli, then beef pho. Perfect. Yung mga tugtugan na ganyan, parang kakabahan ka sa build. Tapos kami lang yung tao dito. We're here in All Day Boulevard. Time check, it's 2:07 p.m. And grabe ang init talaga. We ordered mango juice and watermelon juice. Nagpa-custom made kami ng Birkenstock tsaka Hermes na sandals dun sa I Love Fashion. 1.8 million Vietnamese dong. Nag-ikot-ikot kami, nag-picture-picture, ganyan. Pumunta kami dun sa Japanese Bridge. Kumain kami dun sa Morning Glory na restaurant. And then, pumunta kami dun sa mga bilihan ng mga leather bags. Nakabili ako ng 2 bags. Ang ganda! Yung isa para siyang Birkin bag. 'Di ba? Crocodile bag siya. Tapos yung isang bag ko naman, siya, kilikili bag lang na brown bag. Buffalo leather na legit siya. Ang original price niya is 2 million, yung sa parang Birkin bag. Tapos yung brown na bag is 1.5 million. So overall, dapat 3.5 million siya. Pero dahil sa galing na nakipagnego ni RJ, naging 3.1 na lang. Ha? Card pa yon, tapos wala pa daw charge. Grabe, hindi ko kayang makipagnego ng ganun. Kasi tinanong niya kung tagasan kami, sabi namin Philippines, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, nakita ko lang yung shop niya sa TikTok din, from a Filipino TikToker din. For only 2 million Vietnamese dong. Magkano yung ganun, 'di ba? Yung Birkin bag. Magkano ba 'yun? Birkin bag. 2 million pesos. Yung 2 million pesos naging 2 Vietnamese dong. Grabe, kwento ko yung 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 nambudol si RJ. Tapos si RJ nakabili rin siya ng leather wallet na 300 Vietnamese dong lang. Akala ko aalis na kami doon. Tapos nung paalis na kami, nag-uusap pa rin sila. Hindi ko na nga naintindihan kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila eh. Tapos yun, hanggang sa umabot sa 300 Vietnamese dong yung presyo ng wallet from 700. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari eh. Tapos ayun, pumunta lang kami dito sa All Day Boulevard para mag-chill. Kasi yung pina-custom made namin na sandals, we will get it later, mga 5 p.m. pa. Guys, by the way, hindi na kami nag-coconut boat. Tinamad na kami. Sobrang init kasi talaga. Tsaka mas prefer namin yung mag-picture-picture na lang dito sa Hoi An and mag-shopping. Magpabudol. Ganun. Yun yung kasiyahan namin yung gumastos. Tapos ang sabi pala nung babae kanina na nandun sa pharmacy, ang malamig na weather daw dito is October to February. So, yun yung magandang punta pala dito, October to February. Kakatapos namin kunin yung custom-made na sandals na pinagawa namin sa I Love Fashion. So, finally, nag-fit naman siya, yes. Pero ang sabi nung seller, hintayin ko daw ng 3 days bago ko siya suotin. So, nireglo kasi nila yon para mag-fit. So, ayun. Ganda. $75 plus 40, 115. Medyo napabili na naman tayo, guys. Mga millionaire for today's video. We'll go see the lantern boats. Daming tao, guys. Ganito pala paghapon. Kain tayo. Ito yung binili namin. This is the
Chicken.
banh mi queen.
Ano yung sa'yo? Chicken?
Chicken. Cheers. Taste test.
Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head.
Sarap.
Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine. Wanna wear it
The
on
best talaga ang
myself.
banh mi ng Vietnam, guys.
I kinda wanna
As in,
hate you,
sarap.
but I wanna love you too.
We're here.
I wanna hold you close and let you
Hoyan
go.
at night.
We're here in Hoi An.
Now wish you wasn't the
Look. Hoi An at night.
What's killing me the most is knowing
Ganda.
two things can be true.
Dito naman sa kabila.
Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right.
Ganda.
Where we left off. Wanna block your number. Take one last time. Make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Tama nga yung sabi nila nabubuhay yung Hoyan paggabi.
Oo. Buhay ang Hoi An paggabi, guys.
Pag
So, uuwi na kami. Pupunta lang kami dun sa Kayan. And we're going home to our Airbnb. Kanina pa kami nandito sa Hoi An. We'll see you guys later when we go home.
And that's pretty much how we spent our second and third day here in Da Nang. Just a slow, relaxing day filled with great coffee, good food, culture, shopping, and unforgettable views. Thanks for watching this vlog and see you on the next one.